wahala ni ye few things bi ka ho asem akua donko versus papa no
unim no papa no ya hwehwe no papa no ne twade papa no uyo baby
osofu bi abronsa ma ni preaching ate afa so e na sa akode versus stone boy versus sa akode manager ho sensem abuzua na ebekari nyina ho asem yes ase now abuzua ye started dia na ye started with MPP man we ya abuzua yes by this time kaya lock ne kura de prison because minim ne chese abuzua de before krase ebeka ho asem no hwe video no
fa compare abaya banyina na wo ankasa be hu difference no na won di nukre ache nyankopon no di nukre ache o man Ghana
dabio aha chese ne mementi ase ne se wo di nyankopon what is this chese mine wo bie jasa di firifie wo gina microphone ni ma be kasa no abusua like why nipa bi se nyamani nyina mic tete no omo blow mic na ba ko nie ebia wanti ni tie ni biem
fa compare abaya banyina na wo ankasa be hu difference no na won di nukre ache nyankopon no di nukre ache o man Ghana
wo si den di nyankopon opambo na abusua moving on no osofu bia ono no na jese unya nyankopon wasem ara be hye na koma mu a osofu preachi osofu kanyame asem na enam corona ntino obie ya asore kura na oye ofie which makes sense oti ase na weina abusua osofu preachi he is in the spirit o kasa kire zoom o zayin fafo avere osofu nkohwe na chia de video no
mag in volle krag om te dien en met volheid om te volg. Jy weet want hy wil vir ons daai Caleb gees gee. Hy wil vir ons daai Joshua gees gee. En ek wil vir jou bid vandag vir daai krag. Ek wil vir jou bid dat jy sal instap. So sit daai worship musiek aan. Laat die
Grandma we dangerous. O ma say nyame asem na se confuse nyame nipa krase aka ho. Ena chese wo hwe angle na osofote. Na hwe ba bia nkraman no so kotai ko gina ye na. Nkraman ne pese o mo ba video no ma hu say yeah, we are enjoying. Chese kraman bi se minim se kapito na tete no se seyon abusua no ma bi koso we asi we. Na abusua onim se nsem ne de do so tie bo ne taw sa no as a doggy abusua sorry ya kwe ni agua donko encheye papa no sagai ena agua donko e friend I think Silver FM was a Silver Radio ena ye de agua donko twetwe nkomo na agua donko ko bie na no ye bisa agua donko se papa no tu ono no e hwan a se agua donko de chese wati free kura yi apaso akokeka nsem kura yenka now ye be kwa agua donko video ni so na yetie ni okan ni yi
na se wo ensema ekoso Ghana menim se wasugusu a wutire bi e ma for say papa no wo papa no wo di made nipa kro ye fen papa no
Jawama
wo say ehwan ya
Silver 98.3 FM
papa no enye wo bon kwa akura bebre hye ho
sa ehfo no bebre hye ehfo sa
baako agogo 2016 kura ojina mpi ewo agogo no mo ato ama no
sa
wore ya kura wo be bo be na ya tenu ni
oni mahama
wo ni mo kura mai wore mahama wo be ka tinu wo ko to kura wo ko to fi kura ba kai etema no to so tiom
wa to fi ama no etema
no to so tiom wo to fi ama etema abra tiko se je wono ko ana mete kesi yazo wadako kwa binsu jina mpiwo ntemo wanozo wasiho ipe tuwesi kabi wakaswadi amano meti ni atini na ana achema sakula wasawobi suwo wasawo achasa mama jeji na mpinu ni
Silver 98.3 FM
jase wani waibi pa ya kama papa no ani ale wo be se potura ma potura ke
abuzua chere se amavo na ye ma mu free na mo de dom aka ho bi ne akua donko che se ka donko se mu musuro se mu be bodin ne se ye dwoma amadia ono no de ese John Mahama wabo din no asisupi a kire o se ma me no we kura de ese o chizo mo de kura de mo nka ho ye wo ma wa hyeda chese bebre na ma me adwaronko to boy nam ka say some years ago now joining NDC ye bisa o simple question about papa no so ni mu a na ma me adwaronko de ate afa so akobobo mu o maka ni nyina di o mo ye miso o mo asempra and still there is more
oh yeah you know match say o di MP no o ko no ma o wo busa obi a we ka je fe ni me no ni ayi ni me ntisa Ona mari jina mpini sika ku ma zo penyi na mpini nyago. Ampi fo ma ba no aya ye jina mpini unita ye president ye obi aya ne mpra.
Hey.
Obi aya dia da wona kuku sikari ma wo di ye fa ko jina mpini no dia koye.
Sir?
Anya fe dia go kura.
Now we should say another implication is MP kura according to Obiadonko not my own words. MP kura na ojina ya na Mahama ene ne wo ho no. MP ne kura no Mahama ne san ma ni sika. So on fon konko jina. Asempa. Na die tia. Anka fibia 4 years be election cause no scandal with at this magnitude. But this time around there it looks like President John Mahama to me try to home for baby Abraham Fantakrema. If you don't pass and still there is more.
So and I know make I say okay. Say if you are now team no. Now when say now or pamu free no for baby better name. So and also
Silver 98.3 FM.
What the obo bua kura, but never ko kwatu kura na say ya. Sadi fa we kura ne hon tin na magana so di president game. E di ne ko kwatu kura na me kra kra o pepe be di ne mu. E o le tra commission no. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀yọ́ ọ̀sẹ̀ ẹ̀jùmọ̀ ní ìyẹn aka ho. Ẹ̀sọ̀sẹ̀ aka ho. Jàtàbá no àwọn tí ò lè dín ẹ̀jẹ̀ ní ìbò àti jàtàbá no. Mẹ̀tí ìwọ ọmọ no mẹ̀tí jàtàbá no ka ho. Wọ́n mú nyina aka ho. Mẹ̀dẹ̀ wọ́n wọ́n kọ́ supreme. Gáàkù ọ̀sẹ̀ dẹ̀ nsá tó wọ́n mú sokura ẹ̀dẹ̀ Jọ̀mọ̀ Hama ní jàtàbá no wọ́n mú ntìmú pàpà fọ́ sokura. Sáà nípa wọ̀ yẹn nyina sẹ́ wọ́n bẹ tìǹyà kásẹ̀ wọ́n di Ghana president.
Wọ́n abusuya wọ́n ti ní yie. Obiadonko so de Mahama encho de ne beko egade se de ne beko Supreme Court. Na yie no to nchen kura na. Mahama kura no ma wayeye plus so san ye papa no kura ka ho no ho hia say yes san kura ma ne be ye Ghana president biem. That is from Obiadonko. Asem kura ni now video e ma hu until say I think a couple of no a day and one of my friends catch him so Obiadonko so abekasa me go pentie and I'm okay you go pentie na say interest na ye de beka ho but looking at ne Obiadonko kekam. Well, Abuja, but free and there is no breaks. Now, Abuja, to our final story for today. No, Sako, their manager, Stone Boy, Bubo, a man they didn't want to get in the hospital. No, la, because of events, no more boy, no more person. Any other news be able to overshadow that kind of Adna person. Now, you didn't have a video that we yank your link to a YouTube video description. I say, compare the team. But afterwards, first person of Babontin Bekasa say, oh, I don't know, yeah, and 1 year was Stone Boy. Stone Boy, and Kasa Babontin bet him say, just say, 2 year 1 trip, would you make a video?
A few days ago, at the recording of my own brother's event, the Black Love concert, we all went out there to show love. We're all in high spirit to make sure he continues to achieve greatness. There was a little misunderstanding between, Angelo and I, his manager. And I want to use this opportunity to apologize again and say a very big sorry to Angelo, my guy. And an extension of that goes to Sarkodie himself. There were no guns, there were no knives at the incident, and nobody sent nobody to go and attack anybody, I beg. So kindly don't you believe anything that you hear online or on social media and all these things, please. We have to live in love, we have to continue to support one another. We have to make sure we have a peaceful environment so we can all thrive in and grow.
Now we see from Stone Boy and Sam. Okay, your video ni we patch we no ka say man ka 20 dey no mama fan so. and on sign to us, 1 feet to 1 tristle can be a small beers on Cobobia, what I say. Now, I say in the heat of the argument, and no man, or Shangelo and near, nay, so bonnet, what I say, and no bonnet, good friend any. Ntino or Pachao, we are present from 2 events now. That was then. Never met your sense of La Michael say, or credible source, say Stoneboy Q2, and Kekoye Stoneboy is 1 Q2. So that is there. And out here Stoneboy, out here Stoneboy, admittedly, was at fault. It doesn't matter how you look at it. What I say. Ntino they are going after Stoneboy, dear she be unhappy being on some movie event. Or movie event, and I think Andy Dusty, it's the first video make us Andy Dusty and I say, go fiaduma, on better Sakodi and Stoneboy interview more penny happening. Andy Dusty, fresh Sakodi of Funso, I know Bisan or Bonabasso for sure in your Kakahan. And not Bisan say after event in Stoneboy Afrenana, Diana was in your Kakahan. Sakodi is your best address issue near would you taste a video?
Have you spoken with Stoneboy yet?
Not yet.
Has he called? Has he tried to approach you?
Honestly, I just wanted this show to just happen, and then after that, I'll address anything else. I know I can't leave the people bare with this information. I normally don't. You know me already, I'm Miss Dandy. I wouldn't necessarily try to explain stuff, but I think this one deserves, some explanation. People have to know what actually happened. So now that the show is over, I promise, from tomorrow, I'll be dealing with that.
Now, fast forward, I think a couple of days later, and I sack what instead of say, or baby babontin, one shut down my boy thing. What I figure and say, your audio press release. Instead of so better than Kratasi and Kinkai, and now because no one didn't need Babette in America, when we had this in on the Sarkodia, yes, sir. And no record audio, no tomorrow, a month was a jet, no press release. And I was young, nay, you have a call audio on Snieti or no so, or no so never accountment.
So today the main reason why I'm recording this is to have a little discussion about our industry and also some clarity on the incident that took place on the 10th of August. I know you guys have heard a lot. I normally don't do this, but I think sometimes it's very necessary for the betterment of our industry and the ways forward.
Well, correct. The important stuff.
So the incident that happened at the Black Star Square was not the first, and I'm pretty sure it's not going to be the last, but the ultimate goal is to try to minimize or possibly get rid of such situations in our industry, to clear a certain perception that we are creating in the minds of the people when our industry is mentioned. It took a minute for the corporate world to open up to our industry because there was a perception that the word entertainment was all the industry was about and nothing more to it. I personally have been trying my best to clear that perception, to be able to bridge the two worlds together. Not to limit it to the corporate world, but to every citizen to have some level of respect when they see entertainers or anything related to the industry. And that mainly starts with how we conduct ourselves. We occupy spaces way bigger than us, and therefore we have the responsibility to act right. Since we have a lot of influence.
So Abuja can see sort of what about industry and how entertainers, they want to do something, build themselves up, and then get some corporate entities behind them. Send a pay more promote more projects with coins, sika. What do I say? But Sakot, ne kura and say, yeah, cojones.
Whoever is listening right now, we are just like you. But only difference is the position that we occupy. On top of that, creative people are very sensitive by nature. We carry a lot of emotions, and that comes along with paranoia. But that's not an excuse for how we act, because that is absolutely up to us. We are responsible for our actions. I've been in this industry for a minute, and I hardly react to things, and that's not because I don't have anything to say. But I think we're in an industry where most of our media outlet is interested in traffic-driven content, and that mostly has to be negative. Sadly, that's how the world operates. I don't blame the media because they are doing their job, and it comes with it. So
Stoneboy is a sensitive guy because he's creative like himself, and so many others. What you say? So I didn't the sensitivity kick in, na emotional kick in. Na feel than emotional dancehall artist. That is audience because we get into the point of paranoia or focus. Yes, confused. What you say? Stoneboy don't have paranormal activities. I don't know, but that's what I'm thinking. Long and short of it all, say, or part of the Stonebwoy is sensitive, kakra, not just him, but any other person biana who creating normal biana. So if something's happening, it leads them to act in a certain way. What you say? In a way, not talk about Stonebwoy.
This brings me to the incident that happened on the 10th of August, at the Black Star Square between my manager and my brother Stonebwoy. For the first time in a long while, my limit was pushed beyond just because of what happened. I want to state this. Everyone has the right to be mad or angry, but no one has the right to assault. And this is where it brings me back to how we manage our emotions and reactions. Situations like what happened that led to the unfortunate incident is not new. I'm not to say that it's okay, but I think my brother should know this. And that's what actually happened. I'm not here to talk about what happened that led to it. If that's what they want to talk about, they can talk about that as well. My main reason, for doing this, or what got me upset, was the fact that he chose to go physical with the situation. I don't think my brother came from wherever he came from to destroy my show. We've had great relationship over the years, and not because he's not necessarily because he's like the best person I've come across, but I built a mechanism to be able to deal with people regardless how they react, because there's always a bigger picture. And if you want to confirm that, watch everyone around me. I mean, my team.
But entertainer who was dumb the wechi ne kind of normal na is at least who control anger who show normal ye send ye beya and lead to baby a lead the choir no enkonko duru physical na no ne duru physical la obo ni manager ni no ehwo na ama na yese Stonebwoy pa na be yesa, but to him ne de onu hu ni say Stonebwoy no ni intent bi aso ba be say ni show ana bibi tesa o just say uti Aisha Modi video back then now. Send your call opinion and a man Stonebwoy Jakakra and a Stonebwoy Kokobo Angelini. What I say. But what they to us.
There's been several incidents where I felt disrespected by organizers, media personnel, and my own colleagues sometimes, but I always control my reaction due to the bigger picture. And that doesn't make me soft or weak. That actually is the strongest thing anyone could do. My brother has every right to be mad. He could have chosen to insult Angelo, even myself, scream, or just even move his car and go. And trust me, he knows I would definitely call him and even apologize. Not because I have to, but I never want bad blood, and I think it's unnecessary. This time I didn't take that route because my brother went overboard, and to me, it's the highest level of disrespect no matter what happened, because I've been at his concert and he has no idea how I get there or what I go through to get on that stage, because I understand the job, and I know there's no way Stonebwoy and his management would have ever wanted to disrespect me intentionally. So the long and short of the story is that yes, my brother did hit my manager, and I'm here to confirm and condemn the act and let him know that I'm extremely disappointed knowing how he is with Angelo. On a lighter note, for those saying how could Angelo allow Stone hit him and go free, again, as I said, you can't control how people react, but you can control yours. And honestly, what do you people think would have been the situation if he retaliated?
Angelo retaliate ya nka Stonebwoy kunu na wanhu ni odi ya no nana one blow petwede wanhu plaster na Italian na ka imagine say ka Stonebwoy na kura me ya no kura hwe be left nti ka imagine say ka right ni so ba mu a what you say you don't do that no be right nka left ni sign ba mu ka by this time ka Angelo ni nyina fra nti ni manye say na nka Angelo retaliate ya nka de ni besi nka Stonebwoy be wie no, that is the fact. But me sa ko de ka wo no, that makes sense. And fa won how dwa we dwa. As entertainers, big brands like Stonebwoy, no ne your mom kika ho no, you don't have to resort to physical violence. Say bibi nko where, especially to someone like a kind of saying Angel Town. What you say for this specific event, because Angels who be, say, oh yeah, the right hand man to sack or there. And if anything, people will love, and I say your fans, followers, no will love, say, exercise patience, then you'll be the leader we see you to be, and not resort to this type of physical and a command will be by thought that what you say, no, what's me down, because I got this answer him, who's Stonebwoy, who you should name a bawa. You don't know, me go through and son of what you say, I doubt to say if Aisha, you know, you true party, I doubt Sasako will go through that thing to be at Stonebwoy's event. What you say? So I'm not. Sada me who no dey enkan say, but at least ono so chirem say ono so ba event here. Or go through hurdles and struggles and you can and son of average, you know, because or understand this or yeah, they will need their body near or yeah, they will need their promo to Ghana and all those stuff. That is what he means when he's talking about bigger picture. Now, Abuja, I got the final bit of Sarkodie press conference and so.
Angelo saw Stone as his little brother getting out of control, and I'm proud he didn't touch him. To end this, I would want to use this incident to advise the up-and-coming to learn how to control your reaction. If you are in this for the long run, you will be provoked. A lot of situations will stir up emotions, but you have to be strong. And to my brother, I would want to say that apology has been accepted, and I know that genuinely you have love for me, I have love for you. Sorry from this side if you felt treated unfairly at the event grounds, and I wish you all the best. Thank you for coming as well. God bless you.
Well, Abusia, it looks like say Sarkodie the shut up beef na end. Stonebwoy and Sarkodie na started. I'm just kidding. Abusia na near Sarkodie and also can with advice, last advice to a month for a bus in a so moon should be a deal we no musia be being from Zena Bay, Bibi Sakrato Monakrana, and happening this week. What do I say? Now, Nkasi Nkasa, but Aisha Modi, she's back. Abuja na be na adwen kire Sarkodie. I think say a chain or live video Instagram or no so kire na adwen kekan sembebre. Na you go the video no so. You know say Madam Aisha there. You just say or no be kan adwen kire easy kura. But the video no Abuja yen ko ne go tell you kekan this time.
Che and I'm so going to small me say me kasa o. Me kasa man for na stone ko oba industry ni mu. Stonebwoy to me swami say me kasa. Me ka kire mo anura say me come nde me. Minye djuma mobi. Minye djuma ma Stonebwoy. Sa ntete ya na mo pesa mo tete me ni Stonebwoy ntemu no. Na wo hwe enyama bebre na moye. Me hwe me animal but I'm not hypocrite like your sack.
Now Abuja me nim ni pa kra we are not can ask before because me I didn't watch that live video no. So I'm just taking what I say talking about kakra na that online. Minim ni pakura we are not washing a bufu to the level say all kasa because we are from the beginning ne banana and yes Sarkodie really not talk about him until the last bit one our friend a hypocrite now that this is not just it bebre to us so minim ni pakura uni ni pakura no can ask my you comment section as well.
I'm not a hypocrite. All he thinks about is brand. The Sarkodie do nyina is Angelo no kwa Sarkodie on Jane ho do Jane the brand after the show. Why were you waiting after the show? Tell the world what you did. Oh, but so by a press conference, you need to tell the truth. This is what happened. This is what happened. And they came there. This is what I said. And then, boy, no, be catch and say, you said you don't need so boy. I will show you so. Now, so on to me, chair your uncle. Boy, no, be kind. I didn't want to find about press conference. Mumu feel say, I stand for the truth. And I stand for the right thing.
Now a couple of things. It could be a sad guy, no. Nipa na Aisha can asem. But what be can asem na you your kind in the Stonebwoy. Not Stonebwoy ne can say no Aisha no. Without a consent from Sarkodie and I say Sarkodie na country because it is weird. Say ka Sarkodie free Stonebwoy is only a brand for me sure. I don't know if Sarkodie na free no Stonebwoy na never so ba ono. Never say either way agreement yakoso. No wa ba. Na obi from Sarkodie camp wa be ka tell and say Sarkodie is one for her be go pako. That personally doesn't matter what think about it now. It looks weird. What they say. It doesn't make any kind of sense to me. But Aisha so just Sarkodie no thinking about why you're on a brand. Not at this. What they say. Ndina ba ko say onu so adwa wona komum say Sarkodie wa be visa. Na Sarkodie buy no. Instead of so be kan me wom nyina no. Waka ayiyi bia frem. Actually on no happen yen ko akeke. But like I said no, uti Aisha first video na or so no time even incident na happen ye kra no kwa kutuka call park we before. Nti no kra we nyina ho e na Sarkodie so no nyina ho. So it's more like Sarkodie I can say Angel Town Sarkodie manager no. And this Stonebwoy and the betimi aka the actual truth about ne happen yan kasa. So if Sarkodie is talking na ni Angela kan kire no oka. If Aisha is talking now, Stonebwoy I can't tell you okay. Because both of them know money but they are talking either way. What are you trying video no so?
Sasama mi ke me boa me da me ma de panche me. But more money my some no share so more can mema de punch mo.
Now what is wrong with people and they say oh yeah never go through the above level. Mema the punch yes say. Sister Asha, come back again. What you say? We won't take that.
Sarkodie, come out and tell the world. Say you reported the case to headquarters. You should have added that to the press conference. Why didn't you add that? I didn't want friend one count say assembly the headquarters.
Well, said the headquarters here. Personally, that makes sense. I'm not saying this because I'm a pure Sarkodie friend. No. It makes sense there. What about me event as an event I'm here? Now my manager and the workers now abone twede amane ni nyina ahonanka yabo se me report to me to aso report to case in my police here. It makes sense in that manner because I assault it's not anything be here and the people can I think say Sarkodie so o shall play smart kakra instead of saying go press conference an actual press conference I want go bisa questions no he didn't do that. He just put the phone was a record audio or also through no out there without so be getting the chance to ask him really anything. What they say, or then he does to show so once and carry. Then I shake a little bit of unson be truthful, but in the press conference, and I make us a actual press conference. Be like a media guys and can be asked a question, but you know. It is what it is. Young to us.
Kwasia for no much say Calvin boy ni Black City no. Omo no weje adwuma ye no. Did the crowd di Calvin boy chi so many years kra no. Mon konkwache. Confusion dey si no. Me di manu ka asema. Asem bia me meba social media me di ma meba bebie manu aka bia asema me ni mo hwe. Asema me ni mo hwe me ma meka. Usuro nyame a nyame bi wo a wonye. Usuro nyame a wodi no kre ka no kre. And no Sarkodie press conference. And I thought say he would boldly be proud of what he did for reporting the case to what headquarters for Stonebwoy to be arrested.
Like I said earlier, doing that is not really a bad thing because there was a physical assault, which is a crimeable offense and a misdemeanor. I don't know the terms, but we crowd here. That's Uncle Square. We team report on what you say. The Sarkodie and American. So for my home point, actual press conference. I don't know say if the actual press conference one I said one way now. I said if it is I gave you baby some question, but I'm going to Basano. You are no pen or becca. We are not what my see him.
Condemn what Stonebwoy did and condemn what you did. Condemn it. Now bra out, now bekasa. Say yes. Assembly the headquarters. I didn't see Yanni a report is on Stonebwoy. Come out and say, why didn't you add that to your press conference?
Well, Uti Aisha, or sister, what you condemn on your no, I can't say Stonebwoy, you know, now condemn on you can't say, or no, Sarkodie, yes, or report 2 cases, and say, Yamra Metis Stonebwoy. Never to me a cover with you one. Beginning, Aisha says, so Stonebwoy, Pia, Opushi, Angel, and any Huni, and at Nicole Hospital. You know, say, Casadia, didn't your mamma condemn was an actor. That, like I said in the first video, no, Aisha will be a kind of crack, but in that video, it looks like something be a fishy, and yet the whole truth meaning I know tell you, and that's what tell you truth in there, but what cover be one crack, and I think that is the same thing. Sarkodie and Swine or he say, what you say, and some no, but while shut that man can because Sarkodie do have one can enjoy, Stonebwoy go to any. So Aisha the also point kakra but you know
bloggers I was Sarkodie offer from catch up say me momon kasa some of the bloggers come from I'm with them me momon kasa and then you don't know me. How can you know me? When me first time I me phone the friend Madam Pacho you I gave your fucking number to Terry. Wo Terry manager Terry no wa American oh ba be ka dey kwasia na she say I don't respect me abrewa no me sambe respect wine. Me na mo friend me abrewa no Ghana akoye fua ma obi asori a yes me be zongo girl that's why I don't take foolishness from anybody.
I was out to your zongo girl and it won't take him because Zambia for Biano and then again I see more say all kinds of I think say the truth because say Sarkodie friend bloggers say more can say Jirobia because I see and yes I did not about one thing thanks it is 2 days or the same. And some assembly hit media, and which means they try their best to cover it up. Just say, I need you must and then see SA, you know. So they had to, address it publicly also. So Abusia, that is the video for today. Aisha de no Yakoba ni nyina. And I have seen say Stonebwoy and Aqua Angel I'll share from the pictures of Stonebwoy are posting now. It looks like say now no they are cool. Angel Boni be a course be an idea no. Forgiving Abam am I say no or Muntema you cool. Publicly, privately we don't know. So Abusia personally I think say in some the OTS and some sequence and sequence fire now. Some it doesn't matter. And yes, a good point for an artist like Stonebwoy. So better against a fellow artist manager. That's no a guy. What do you say? And now say like I said in the first video, no. Said a Stonebwoy move forward according to Aisha and recount bro we said Aisha kikani before no say sana happen and sana Stonebwoy firm and a Stonebwoy got train here for 4 hours. Na still na yenyante yenya man ho mebisa ne so be no nsu ogura ne ne keka ho plus obisa mbeka kire ne se o sa akode so nya no onko ne sa kind of no man se ni nyina happen really dan ne abuja sa akode ne camp for some so antry. Either way, Black Love concert no so ye guy very dope ankasa. Personally me nya hwe full video ni nyina nwie because seek.com site na host here no abuja na yentimi hwe. Either way abuja that is that video for today. And now, my drop new video on Maghreb Daily about my sniper training in US Army. Wherever you want, because I'm linking on YouTube video description as well. First link in our click so no buzi I check it out. Now I believe that when you better move. Subscribe to your YouTube channel and I click what man is a new video we ever be on. Bye now, Saka. Till we meet again, Adios.